Sound lesson check. First, type your last name in the box here. Next, type your first name in the box here. Now you will select your cycle number. Number 1. Your perception of the energy of sound is the volume, loudness, or amplitude. Number 2. True or false? How loud a sound seems depends on the energy making the sound and your distance from it. True or false? Number 3. The actual amount of energy a sound wave carries is called amplitude, volume, or intensity. Number 4. The ability to do work or move an object with force is called volume, energy, or echo. Number 5. The intensity of sound is measured in which unit? Meters, miles per hour, or decibels? Number 6. How high or low a sound seems is called amplitude, volume, or pitch. Number 7. The number of waves per second, also the pitch, frequency, speed, or amplitude. Number 8. Human vocal cords are located in this area of the body: esophagus, torso, or larynx. Number 9. Sounds at a frequency pitch higher than 20,000 hertz are called ultramonotone, ultrasound, or ultraman. And number 10. Sounds at a frequency pitch lower than 20 hertz are called ultrasounds, infrared, or infrasound.